Sony Ultimate 10 speaker இப்போது உங்கள் சத்யாவில் இப்போவே புக் பண்ணி 6000 ரூபாய் கேஷ்பேக் பெறுங்க.
How is it living in the Surya household with Shivakumar sir and others?
At first, when I newly got married, it was a total surprise.
KBG Trips. Think holidays, think KBG Trips. For bookings and inquiries, WhatsApp 9629911889. பெண்களின் பெருமை பேசும் பிரத்யேக ஜவுளி கலெக்ஷன்கள், ட்ரெண்டிங் sarees, blouses, salwars, kurtis, dress and materials. Mayura Silks and Fashion.
Joe, how is it that your marriage has worked out so well? What do you
It's
say?
because of the man. Surya always gave me a place. Those 8 years that I was at home.
So he's the ideal husband.
Oh yes, definitely, and he proves it.
How do you get along with Karthi and?
Yeah, Karthi, it's always a nice discussion about films at home.
How is it living in the Surya household with Shivakumar sir and others?
At first, when I newly got married, it was a total surprise.
Joe, how is it that your marriage has worked out so well? What do you
It's
say?
because of the man. I blame it
Yeah.
straight to it's women give up a lot in terms of they get into a new atmosphere totally, a new home, and it's a man who sort of makes her feel very comfortable in terms of he gives her a lot. She needs a place, like especially working women. If you are asking me about my marriage, Surya always gave me a place. Those 8 years that I was at home, he still made me feel you're still that Jyotika for me, and I'm going to ask you everything and tell me if it's right, tell me if it's wrong. He made me a part of his work. We
So you were his sounding board, sort of.
he gave me a lot of I'd say shoulder to shoulder sort of yeah, he has his opinions, but there's always a discussion with me. He always sort of he didn't make me feel okay, now you're married and now you're having kids, now this is your department and now this is mine. So it was more of friendship. Friendship is a very important thing in his and my marriage. Respect, lot of respect for women. Even after marriage, lot of insecurities set in because you've left your grounds and you're on a different ground altogether. His way, his behavior, the way he projects himself on screen with women, that also gives me a confidence that we still hold a very.
But he's a very big hero and is a charming person. So how do you feel? How that insecurity will set in?
Yeah, a lot of insecurities. Marrying a man like Surya, if a woman says she's not insecure, she'd be lying because he's one of the most sought after guys in the industry. But like I said,
How do you manage that?
he manages it for me. He makes it very clear that like I say, he gives me that place. He makes it very clear that you are everything, and a lot of discussion of what happens on set, which gives me the confidence that even when I'm not there, I know things which are going around. And
So you keep an eye on him.
yeah, and he's basically a great guy. I mean, I'm not saying this because I married him. I married him because he's like that. So there is a very strong upbringing in Surya, Karthi and Brinda, all the three, which is amazing. And that sort of holds the marriage, that trust, that confidence, that friendship.
So Surya is
Yeah.
the principal factor that makes
and
the man.
also I feel he proves it each time on screen also. If you see most of the actresses, I'm talking about the top league actresses, they've had some of their best roles in his films.
Yeah.
Whether it is Laila in Pitta Magan, whether it is Asin in Gajni, whether it is Jyotika in Kaka Kaka, Jyotika in Per Aragan, whether it is any of his. I'm talking about 80%. There's always a 20% where the women are not there. But most of the heroines, Simran in Varnamayram, there's always something nice for the girls to do. In fact, in a film like Ela Marivu, which came after Ayan and Singham, which was one of his peak times as a commercial hero, I thought the film was on Shruti Hassan. He's that kind of a person who gives women that place on screen. So the same perspective is seen at home also. It's not just me, even between my daughter and son. My daughter is given a very good place in the house. My son does half her work. So that's how Surya is.
Okay, so he's the ideal husband.
Oh yes, definitely. And he proves it. Making this film for me, it was his idea. He said, now you better come back because I'm getting a lot of fan calls saying, where is Jo and why isn't she not on screen? So it was all his idea behind the film. And the film worked for me, of course.
How's your role as a mother? Because you're bought.
As a mom, I feel in the initial stage when, from the kids from 0 to 7, the kids really need the mother besides them, considering schools are very demanding nowadays. It's not what it used to be 15 years ago. So I'm a very hyper mom, right there next to the kids, sort of.
Do you look at their homework and other things?
Everything. Homework, classes, picking them up, dropping, projects. I've been a part of everything and they need you. It's not that it's a choice. I mean, they really need you beside them. It's only now that sort of they are settling and doing their own thing that I get some time, which is also off school time. When I can only work when there's a vacation or when schools are on, you have to be with them. So I'm a very, very, very hands-on mom with the kids. And we do take off in May, a family vacation, which we haven't this May because of both our releases, but it's a holiday time.
How is it living in the Surya household with Shivakumar sir and other?
At first, when I newly got married, it was a total surprise because it's not that I had been going on and off and coming, seeing what's there inside for me. They are a very beautiful family, but a very orthodox Tamil. I mean, we had my mother-in-law. I remember the first day I entered, she said, "We have to talk only Tamil here," and that's the reason why I know Tamil today.
Okay.
As when I worked all those 10 years that I worked, I didn't learn a line of the language.
Okay.
But after marriage today, it's because of her that I speak the language. And it was beautiful. They are very grounded people. It was different. It was a different world altogether. Stepping into that house, you don't feel there is much of, there is no pomp and show. They are extremely simple, and the kind of people who come there are very simple. And it shocked me to see that, wow, such families exist. And the way they accepted me, which was quite a contrast to before marriage, the way they accepted me and the warmth they all gave me, I blended in immediately. I'm very close to them. I'm very close to my mother-in-law, and like for the first day, the first copy, I mean, I wanted her opinion first because she has a very good opinion on films. So there is a strong connection between them and me.
And how do you get along with Karthi and?
Yeah, Karthi, it's always a nice discussion about films at home. There's always a fight. Why isn't this girl doing anything in your film, and why isn't that heroine doing? So this time when Komban released and Lakshmi Menon had a very nice role in the film, so they all were, we were all celebrating that. Wow, it's always meaningful for me when I see girls, doing something good.
And do you keep in touch with your sister Nakma?
Oh yes, very much. She was here for the release. She came. She saw the first show in the theatre. She's seen the film 4 times. In the theatre. In fact, she was on a round in the theatre seeing the public reaction, and she was extremely happy. She's another backbone who had been here already.
Yeah, she knows the industry well.
Yes, and when I came to Chennai, with mom, I had a sort of support system from her side already existing. I mean, I had a place to stay, and she's been quite an inspiration. You always have the elder sister standing there. So she's been around. She's around. She was here. She just left yesterday, actually.
That was nice talking to you, Jo.
Thank you, Sridhar. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
சோனி அல்ட்ரா 10 ஸ்பீக்கர் இப்போது உங்கள் சத்யாவில். இப்போவே புக் பண்ணி 6000 ரூபாய் கேஷ்பேக் பெறுங்க.
KBG Trips. Think holidays. Think KBG Trips. For bookings and inquiries, WhatsApp 9629911889. பெண்களின் பெருமை பேசும் பிரத்யேக ஜவுளி கலெக்ஷன்கள். ட்ரெண்டிங் sarees, blouses, salwars, kurtis, dress and materials. Mayura Silks and Fashion.